Hello traders, I apologise for the sound in the room not working at the ECB announcement. I tried it again sort of later on internally here and it worked fine, so no idea what happened there. Anyway, these charts, this is the weekly of the DAX. You can see we are horribly flat. It's options expiry tomorrow, so I'm not trading tomorrow. You can see we're right at that resistance area here, this 600-700 area is absolutely crucial. We have a high reading on the indicators on this stochastic, so we are running out of momentum. It could be, let's get the Trump inauguration out of the way and then maybe we can get some proper action. But it was an okay day for me. I made a silly mistake trying to go long the Dow. Let's just have a look at the Dow as well. In fact, the weekly is just like the DAX. Oh, yeah, obviously they're similar markets. But just look at this monthly chart on the Dow. We have had this momentous push higher, and we are really struggling up here, looking as if this is not happy. So if we get a bar like this, then we're overdue at least a pullback, if not a decent drop. This is we're just too tired up here. So we've got some resistance at the top, and if we can, we at least need to. I think we need to at least fall back into 19,000. So that's a bit a 700 pip drop if that occurs. But I don't think these markets are going to pay these prices up here. I think we do just genuinely need a good flush, at the very least a good flush down. So more for me for trying to go long. If you look at my hourly chart, this is I took the fibs away, stripped the fibs away, and just put a basic couple of bars on there. You can see all the just distribution patterns up here. I just thought that this level here could hold. We could at least they could get short up here, but sure enough, we hit the trend line, and we have at least seen some sort of release down here. So I did flip it. So having made a mistake in the room, once we started closing down here, I got 50-60 pips to the downside down here just to recover my losses and at least get something in the account. But yeah, that was feeling a bit silly for doing that, but for going long up here, particularly at that level. At the very least, I should have waited for a dip into sort of 780 or 775 or something. Anyway, I make mistakes, and let's have a look at the key market. This is the euro yen, and I suggested yesterday that we could do a gap fill. The gap fill was just around about this level here, 122. So I got this section of this here. Didn't trade this, and I've not traded this, or at least not much of it anyway. Got a little push higher, but not much. So I got the main slice of the action, just didn't get the last couple of ways up here. So what I'll be doing over the weekend is just doing a lot more research into all my usual level of research into these daily weekly charts, and just lining these up ready for next week. I'll be talking to you more about gap strategies, because that's played a key part in several of the biggest moves this week, including the Dow. Today was a great gap strategy. Unfortunately, I was maybe bit too chart weary to really latch onto it quickly enough. Hence the reason why I just had to end up recovering my position rather than making money out of it. All right, so I'm not trading tomorrow. It's Trump inauguration. It's options expiry. I'm hoping it's going to be very, very quiet. Obviously, I don't want to miss out on a trade. But I've already started to prepare for next week already, and I will share that with you at the weekend. Get that weekend video out promptly so that you can have a chance to look at it on Sunday during the day, so that you are ready to hit the decks on Monday. Obviously there's no trading room on Monday, but there is Traders Roundtable. Okay, so thank you very much for listening to the video, and I look forward to speaking to you over the weekend. If you are listening to this and you are not a member, then consider becoming a member, because we have got a lot of facilities, a lot of support, and a lot of things prepared for the future, the near future. All right, so thank you very much for listening, and I will see you at the very next video. Bye for now.